What's up guys? So today is going to be a good video because we are going up to the BQR show, which is in Cheltenham. The BQR show is actually tomorrow, but we're driving up Saturday because there's Forest of Dean is quite close to there. Looks pretty cool, so we're taking the mountain bikes, got them all loaded up in the back. We're gonna go ride all day today and then the show tomorrow. I probably won't film any of the riding just because I don't know if you guys want to see that or if you just want to see car stuff. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some mountain biking stuff, because I can film it, I just don't know if you guys want to see it or not. So comment down below if you want to see mountain biking. But yeah, we're in the Beamer. Just picking up Ross now. I think I'll probably get Ross to drive us up there. It's about time he done some driving. There he is, look at him. There's Roscoe. Hey. This thing is looking so fresh. Gave it a full polish yesterday. It's looking mint. Now, 3.5 hours in here. Let's go. Ross is so excited, look at him. Yeah. This is fun. Window don't open. Sweating my nuts off. You're right, it's got the window open. Nice cool way, man. Yeah. Finally arrived at Forest of Dean. Oh yeah, time to shred some bikes. Absolute mission to find. We got kind of lost, but managed to get both bikes in there alright, so it's calm. Put them back together now. Right, so it's the next morning now. It's finally car meet time. It's quite early.
Too early.
Ross is dead, look at him. Woke up and the guy that from the Airbnb washed our car for us and everything. Thank you, Keith. Pretty decent, wasn't it? Say no more. So yeah, off to the car meet we go. We decided to go a bit earlier just so we don't have to be in the queue. Alright, see you guys there. Made it. Few people here already, not many. Right, so we just left the meet. It was absolutely sick. We've got like a 3-hour drive ahead of us now, so a bit of a mission. Just stopped, got a cheeky Starbucks. Ross is dead, look at him.
Still have a 2.5 hour drive.
Yeah, we've got quite a drive still. The event was so good. Shout out to Josh for putting on a sick event. I don't know how many cars there was. There's got to be like 2,000 cars. It was insane. Now, long journey home. See you in the next video.